Came home to my son trying to teach himself how to cook spaghetti. All the wrong stuff to do. There was no seasoning.
Actress Tisha Campbell was shocked to find her son, Xen Martin, cooking spaghetti for the first time. And y'all, he didn't know what he was doing.
So I walked in my house, came home to my son trying to teach himself how to cook spaghetti. My God, today. And I said, well, what recipe are you getting this off of? And why wouldn't you just wait till I get home, right? He went on TikTok. No offense, but it was a person who's usually not invited to the cookout, who was telling him all the wrong stuff to do. There was no seasoning. He put the meat and the sauce in at the same time.
This is Josh's mom's cooking.
I am so upset with him.
Look it up.
This is horrible.
I'm sure you heard.
He want to teach himself, and I told him the saying. All black people know, if you ain't sneezing, it ain't seasoned.
Today we're making some spaghetti. So we just finished like this nice little sauce and the nice little spaghetti. So we are now going to drain it. Put it into
Ziggy! You don't curse like that! And what the you doing? You need a drainer, strainer? Get the thing for him,
what's a
Ziggy.
drainer?
Jesus Christ. You cook like Josh's mom.
Who's Josh's mom? Oh, that thing.
Oh, that thing.
So
Pour it in there, fool. And Ziggy, you better not curse again.
Goddess Vision TV, celebrating feminine energy. Thanks for watching.